gonna let the ponyo speak for itself, and you guys can see the difference between a standard hair tie and the ponyo. It's pretty drastic. So I'm gonna use 2 fingers, your pointer and your thumb, feed the hair through, keeping the ponyo close to your head. Squash it flat, and then bend the end. Okay, so look at the height and the width of the ponyo. You do not get this with standard hair tie. It's a complete game changer, and it really stays, like it's going nowhere. And then something else you cannot get with a standard hair tie is the bling. It's just stretchy and magnetic, and all you do is wrap the decorative part around the ponyo and let the magnets touch. And now you have a cool, sleek, unique ponytail. You see how skinny and small and thin my ponytail looks. And for those who like sleek look ponytails, the ponyo can create that so easily as well.